Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at Eagle Imports. We're going to feature some Grand Power products. Here we have David Copping to do that.
Hey folks, this is the Stribog pistol carbine. We've got it set up with the AR-15 style buffer tube so you can put on your wrist brace. It's a 9mm carbine, fires from a double stack magazine. You can configure it the way you want. All the controls are ambidextrous. You can move that charging handle over. Should be retailing for about $800 US. It's made by Grand Power. Comes basic with the fold down front sights, your Picatinny rail on the bottom. Now the model we've got here is set up with key mod, but I'm told that the models that are shipping to the States will have M-LOK.
Can we take a look at the other side where the charger is?
Absolutely.
Yeah, that's got a nice trigger too. I played around with it for a little bit. It's light and it does hold a 30 round mag with 9mm.
Yeah. Available from the factory are a 30, 20, and a 10 round mag.
Right around 800 bucks, eh?
That's what I'm told.
Comes with one mag?
I believe it'll probably come with two. It will obviously come at least with one, but I believe it's two. All of our other pistols come with two. The muzzle is threaded. I'm not actually sure the pitch. It comes with a protector.
All right. Very cool. All right, let's go ahead and check out that new Q1S.
Awesome, let's go have a look. The Q1S, you may have seen last year. We've had the Q100, which is our full-size strike and fire pistol. Q1S is the same idea. Now it uses a subcompact frame, 12 round magazine. It uses the same rotary lock and barrel system as before. It's got that same beautiful surprise break striker action trigger. Now because it's a subcompact, you don't get the interchangeable back straps like we've got on our full size. With that finger groove base pad, I still get 3 full fingers of contact.
And it was funny because we told the sergeant about it and
that trigger pull is very similar. I mean, it felt identical to the Q100, which I love.
Yeah, no, the triggers are the same, the method of action is the same, method of takedown is the same. The only major difference is because it's a subcompact, we do have a dual recoil spring assembly.
So that trigger breaks right around 4 pounds?
Yeah, now if you need something heavier, one feature about our gun that's a little bit different than some striker fired, a lot of striker fired pistols, if you start playing with the trigger return spring, you wind up with compromising the reliability of the firearm. With us, the trigger return spring has only one function, to return the trigger. It ships with a relatively light, probably about a 4.5 pound break, but you can get an 8 pound New York style trigger, and there's one in sort of in between. And now, to change that out, you do need to be able to take the chassis out. It may be beyond the skill set of some users, but most people, if you can detail strip your firearm, you can change that spring out by yourself.
I like it as it is, right out of the case. I mean, it's a sweet trigger.
Yeah, most people that would want to change it, they're doing it for liability reasons or make sure that it meets a minimum that their department might require.
One thing I noticed with the Q100 and that is that it really doesn't have a wall. You don't hit a wall, you just...
No, it's what I refer to as the old-fashioned surprise break.
Yeah.
You're simply pulling, the weight really does nothing, and then all of a sudden the striker's released.
Yeah. You know, you want to charge that? I want to give the viewer another, because go ahead and pull that trigger. Yeah, it just breaks. I mean, and I noticed that with the Q100, its big brother. That thing is sweet. What's that retail for?
Honestly, don't know in the U.S. In Canada, that would be about $725. So
we're looking at 500 bucks, 5.25.
Sounds about right.
All right. All right, David. Thank you so much.
You're quite welcome, sir.